उनके बारे में बात करेंगे। तो हमारे पास पहले सेकंड है कि what are inserted as cross reference in word। तो हमारे पास इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी वर्ड फील्ड। अच्छा, कंट्रोल प्लस एन इज यूज टू। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास ऑप्शन सी न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट विच फॉर स्टार्ट एमएस वर्ड। करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास है winword डॉट एक्स विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर सॉफ्टवेयर। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। वर्ड परफेक्ट, वर्ड पेड एंड एमएस वर्ड। पेज डाउन की इज यूज टू। ऑप्शन सी move the cursor one screen down. Which of the following should be used when you want to add a slide to an existing presentation? Option B insert new slide. The view that displays the slides of a presentation and miniature representation of the slides is called B slide sorter view. Lines spacing refers to option A the space between the lines of the text. To exit the PowerPoint application, you should option C double click the application control menu icon. Objects on the slide that hold text are called A placeholder. Next, in Microsoft PowerPoint, the following is not a feature of the PowerPoint. Answer is C. Linking a slide transition with the laser pointer. In Microsoft PowerPoint, the key on the keyboard can be used to view slideshow. Correct answer is C. F5. A slide that is used to introduce a topic and set the tone for the presentation is called D. Title slide. Slide show options available to the presenter include all of the following except. Correct option is A. Transition command. In Microsoft PowerPoint, the following should you use if you want all the slides in the presentation to have the same look. Option is D. Representation design template. It is a visual aspect that indicates a control is ready to receive input from you in Windows operating system. Answer is option A. Controls focus. In Windows operating system, when you delete a file or folder, it does not actually get deleted right away. It goes to the A. Recycle bin. Microsoft Windows provides a graphics application named A. Paint. In Windows operating system, it is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen, unlike the desktop, which can get obscured by the windows or on the top of it. It is very visible almost all the time. B. Taskbar. Text editor that is a part of the Windows operating system. Answer is B. Notepad. When the language bar is answer B. Hidden, it means that you do not see it on the screen, but it will be displayed the next time you start your computer. Which of the following is not essential component to perform a mail merge operation? Answer is D. Word field, which can be used for quick access to commonly used commands and tools. Answer is B. Toolbar. What is gutter margin? Correct option is C. Margin that is added to the binding side of page and printed. तो ये हमारे पास कुछ MCQs है. This is some MCQs. Inshallah in the next video we will upload other next. शुक्रिया and thank